So here's the thing. It's 2025, and people are getting filthy rich. Not with a fancy degree, not with a 9 to 5, but with machines. Actual machines that you can buy, rent, or set up from home. And they're printing money. From skincare mixers to laser engravers, these machines are turning ordinary people into business owners with little effort and big returns. So if you've ever wanted to start something profitable but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Let's talk about 6 machines that are making people rich in 2025 and how you can start using them too. First up, the skincare mixing machine, aka the mini beauty lab. If you've ever wanted to start a skincare brand, this machine does all the hard work for you. It mixes, blends, heats, and stirs your product automatically. People are using these machines to make lip balms, body butters, serums, face masks. The startup cost ranges around £120 to £300 for a reliable one, and the profit margins, massive. Because once your formula is set, you can scale and ship from home, or go wholesale to salons and boutique shops. You'll find tons of these machines on Amazon, Alibaba, or niche supplier sites. Perfect for creators, side hustlers, or skincare junkies with a vision. Second on the list, the automatic cup sealing machine, used for bubble tea shops and smoothie brands. But now, small businesses are grabbing these machines and offering custom drink brands from home. You create your own drinks, flavored teas, juices, or even protein shakes. Seal the cup with your brand label and sell it in your local area or at pop-ups. Startup cost around £150 to £400 depending on the model. These machines give your drinks that professional, Instagram-worthy look without needing to own a cafe. Pair it with a thermal label printer and your business is ready to go. Third up, and this one's underrated, the edible photo printer. This machine prints full-color images onto cakes, cookies, macarons, you name it, using food-safe ink. People are charging premium prices for personalized desserts for birthdays, brand events, and weddings. Best part? The wow factor on TikTok is huge, and viral videos equals free marketing.
Did you know that you can use a regular printer for edible images and you don't have to buy a super expensive edible image printer? Not every single printer will work because not all of them have the option of edible ink. I did a ton of research before purchasing this printer because I wanted something that was really great quality, but I didn't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars. This one is super affordable, and the print quality, I don't think you could get better. It's so fantastic. All you have to do is put your edible ink inside your printer just like you would any other type of printer. When designing your document, you're going to use a letter-sized paper, but see at the top here, leave at least 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of space. If you put your images too close to the top, they'll get cut off when you print it. I usually grab the images I need from Google, but if you can't find them here, Etsy has a lot of options for really great prices. When your document is ready, load your sugar sheet into your printer. All sugar paper comes adhered to this plastic sheet with this lip on the bottom. That's the part that you want to feed into the machine first. Now you need to set the printer properties. Make sure that this button color is selected, then go up here and change the media to photo paper. Then select best and change your paper source to rear feed tray and press OK. Here's a quick clip of it printing in real time. Okay, time to speed it back up so you can see the finished product. As you can see, the quality of this printer is absolutely perfect. I don't think you need anything else, and definitely don't need to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a special edible image printer. Then store your images for later in a bag like this, and you're good to go.
Fourth, the laser engraving machine. This machine etches designs, names, or logos onto wood, acrylic, leather, metal, pretty much anything. People use it to make custom jewelry, branded gifts, phone cases, home decor. Startup cost between £200 and £700 depending on the material types it supports. This one is a real money maker on Etsy and local markets, especially around holidays, weddings, and corporate gifting seasons. If you're creative, this machine turns your hobby into a scalable business. Fifth, the thermal label printer. This one's perfect for small business owners who ship products. This machine prints packaging labels, thank you notes, and branding stickers. No ink needed, ever. It's not just a productivity tool. People are buying these in bulk, designing custom templates, and reselling them with stickers as starter kits for other small biz owners. Startup costs just £40 to £100. This is a solid side income idea for anyone already in e-commerce, or even those selling on TikTok Shop. Last but not least, the heat press machine. It's what creators use to print logos, quotes, and custom designs onto t-shirts, tote bags, hoodies, and more. With print-on-demand businesses growing every year, this machine gives you the option to go in-house and increase profit. You can sell matching family tees, couple hoodies, TikTok catchphrase merch, niche slogan clothing. Startup cost £80 to £200. Pair it with transfers from Printify or make your own using vinyl. Add Canva and you've got a full design and print business in your bedroom. So there you have it. 6 machines that regular people, just like you, are using to build real income in 2025. Whether you want to start a skincare line, customize apparel, or create photo-worthy desserts, these machines can do the heavy lifting. I've added all the tools, links, and suppliers in the description below. Some are affiliate links, so if you use them, it helps support the channel too. Don't wait until you feel ready. The only difference between you and the people making money with machines is that they started. If you want a part 2, drop a comment and let me know which machine you'd invest in. Catch you in the next one.